In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and format messages in Slack with 5 pro tips. Writing clear professional Slack messages makes a huge difference. When your updates are easy to scan, people understand them faster and are more likely to take action right away. This is especially helpful when you're sharing project updates, documentation notes, technical details, or anything that could become hard to read as one big block of text. Slack gives you both built-in formatting tools and simple markdown shortcuts. So let's walk through FWA's 5 practical ways to make your messages look cleaner and more organized. First, use bold and italics to improve scannability and add emphasis. If something is important, like a deadline, action item, or status label, bold formatting helps it stand out immediately. To do that with Markdown, place 2 asterisks around the word or phrase you want to emphasize. For italics, place underscores around the text. This works well for softer emphasis like a quick note or reminder. If you prefer not to type Markdown, you can also highlight the text in the message box and use the bold or italic buttons in Slack's formatting toolbar. Next, keep links clean by using anchor text instead of pasting long URLs directly into the conversation. Highlight the word or phrase you want people to click, then select the link icon in the formatting bar, or use Control plus K on Windows or CMD plus K on Mac. Paste the web address into the link field and save it. This keeps your message looking polished and prevents distracting, cluttered links from taking over the screen. For technical content, use code formatting. If you're sharing a short command, file path, or variable, place it inside backticks to create inline code. That makes it easier to spot and keeps it visually separate from regular text. If you need to share multiple lines of code or logs, use 3 backticks. Press Shift plus Enter to move to the next line. Paste your content and close with 3 backticks again. This preserves spacing and keeps code readable. Another useful option is block quotes. If you want to highlight a warning, quote a response, or call attention to an important risk, start a new line with a greater than symbol followed by a space. Slack will turn that line into a block quote, giving it a clear visual border and making it stand out. Finally, use bullets and numbered lists to create structure. Type 1 followed by a period and a space to start a numbered list, or type an asterisk followed by a space for bullet points. And one last tip. Use Shift-Enter whenever you want a line break without sending the message too early. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.